What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Elephant Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page with the top edge of the trunk. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a half circle. We're going to go up in the middle, round this out, and then come down towards the right. Let's go over towards the left side, bend this down, and then in towards the bottom. Now over on the right, we're going to bend this in and just taper that down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the trunk, going down and then up. From the sides, let's go up and then in toward the middle, come out and then down towards the right. Now along the top, we're going to add a fold, going up and down. Let's add two small ovals along the inside for the nostrils. And we'll fill the center of the nostrils in black. Let's go back up to the top of the trunk and add two curves. Going up and then down. Step down and add a shorter curve. Now we're going to go back up to the top and tuck the eyes in behind the trunk. Let's leave a gap in the center. We start over on the left side. Let's draw an oval. We're going to go up towards the top of the eye, come down the side, and then bend that in. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Going up towards the same height, come down the side, and then bend that in. Now I'm going to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside of the eyes. Let's start from the left side, draw a circle, go all the way around, and then tuck that in. Let's trace the iris along the inside. So I'm drawing a smaller circle, going all the way around. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top. And we'll fill in the bottom of the pupils. Let's go to the bottom of the eyes and draw on the top of the mustache. We're going to start on the left. Bend this out and then up. Going around the eyes. Let's add that first curve. Coming around and then in. Add that second curve. Coming down and then in towards the side of the trunk. Let's go up to the top and add in the eyebrows. We're going to curve above the eye and then down on the inside. Let's go back to the left side, go up higher in the middle, and then back down. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now from here, we're going to draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the eye, we're going to step out, bend this out around the mustache, round up the cheeks, and then pull that in towards the side of the trunk. Let's curve the side of the head, going in and then up towards the hat brim. Let's close off the top of the curve, going up the middle, and then back down. Now I want to draw the top edge of the ears. From the top corners of the head, bend this up and then out. Let's taper that back in so it gets wider, coming in towards the side of the head. Let's draw the outside edge of the ears. From the tip, bend this in and then out. Round out the ear, come down and then in underneath the cheeks. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and add in the hat brim. For the top corners of the head, we're going to step in, curve this up in the middle, go across, and then back down. Let's add a circle along the top, starting from the top of the hat brim, go all the way around, and then back down. Let's add that M in the center. Come up along the sides, come down and in towards the middle, flatten off the bottom, and we're just going to trace the M along the inside. Let's go back to the top corners of the head and draw the outside of the hat. So we'll start on the left. And bend this out, come up and in above that circle, all the way around the right side, bend this down, and then pull that in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start underneath the head on the left side, bend this out, come down the side, and then in towards the hip. Let's go to the right side. Going out, come down, and then in. In between the hips, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a large gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Go to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start on the left side, bend this down, and then up. Now from the outside, we're going to curve the leg and tuck that in underneath the body along the side. Let's add the edge of the pant, coming down and up. And then we'll separate the toes with 3 half circles. We're going to start on the outside, going up and then down. Leave a small gap and add 2 more. Now we're going to go back up to the top and add the straps with the buttons. Along the side, let's add 2 circles. One on the left and one on the right. From the outside of the body, angle is down and in underneath the circle, angle is up and in. And then from the inside, we're going to follow the curve of the body, going up and in along the top. From the inside of the strap, let's add a curve, coming down in behind the trunk. Let's go to the side of the body and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the left side, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a half circle, coming down and up for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the outside of the thumb, going out and then in around that bracket. Step down, we're going to add 2 more fingers. The last finger is just going to bend this up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's separate the wrist, starting from the top of the thumb, then it's up and then out. I'm going to step up and add the edge of the sleeve with that same curve. And then we're going to add the tail coming out from the left side. Let's start from the hip, then it's down and then out, and then taper that back in. Let's draw the end of the tail, then it's around and then in. Just work our way along the inside. And I'm going to go back and just roll up the bottom of the pant. We're going to step up, draw that same curve along the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Elephant Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.